Okay guys, this is another one because I thought it was already done. So let's go make some more. Okay guys, so we're here now. I finished putting my marinara because it's almost breakfast. And one for all, buy one bigas if you're in the Philippines. Order from my mom. Aha. I have 23, I think. It's so hot. Okay, so mix this. I put a little bit cold. Okay. Oh. So this is me. That's me when I was a baby. I went to swimming class, guys, yesterday. That was my last day, but then my coach Safety said that Tuesday, so I still gotta swim. Yung ano po? Okay guys, so I'm gonna surprise you with my mom. Watch. Oh no. Hello there. I will try, really try. So, see, I can make a cat here. It's a catty. Look at the cat. It's gotta be right here. Maybe no. There. So I can see this. Oh, it's just right here. I don't know where to be. Okay, it's on the top. See that blurry thing is on the top. Hello, Kira. You don't notice it? Its tail is on my hair. That's why it's kind of tight.
Ay, kabit ko kaya muna to. Ito dali, oh.
Hey guys, I'm back. So we are here again, and then I finished my Milo. It's time. So bye guys.